the case that revealed race of victim bias nationwide in the United States. Justice is supposed to be blind.
But what happens when statistics prove it wasn't?
This is the true story behind one of the most disturbing discoveries in American capital punishment history: race of victim bias.
For decades, researchers studied thousands of murder cases across multiple states. What they found shocked the nation. When the victim was white, prosecutors were far more likely to seek the death penalty. When the victim was black, the same crime was far less likely to result in a death sentence. This wasn't opinion, it was data.
In the 1970s and 1982, landmark studies, including the famous Border study, revealed a brutal pattern. Defendants accused of killing white victims were up to 4 times more likely to be sentenced to death than those accused of killing black victims. These findings reached the highest court in the country, the U.S. Supreme Court.
In cases like McCleskey v.
Kemp, defense attorneys argued that the death penalty system was racially biased and violated the Constitution. The court acknowledged the statistics were real. They did not dispute the data, but in a historic and controversial decision, the Supreme Court ruled that statistical evidence alone was not enough to overturn an individual death sentence. As a result, inmates across various state death rows remained condemned even though the system itself showed racial imbalance.
This decision sent shockwaves through the legal world.
It forced America to confront an uncomfortable truth that the value of a life in court often depended on the race of the victim. To this day, race of victim bias remains one of the strongest arguments against capital punishment, because justice shouldn't depend on who the victim was or what color their skin happened to be. If stories like this matter to you, don't stay silent. Subscribe for more real crime and justice stories.
Like this video if you believe facts should shape justice.
And comment below should the death penalty still exist in a biased system.